Hello everyone. I'm gonna cook again. I make a wheat pancit for Passover today. Mani among panihapon. Naa naman ko'y tuna god inununan da. Lutuan ako akong bana og pancit. Sagulan ako og broccoli. Simple ra akong isagol. Ini akong sagol na. Lain maning wheat do no, wheat nga noodles bitaw magpilit sidya pero nami rani unja. Ako ana na sidya. Oh. Nahumot naman gani, wa pa na sa gulig broccoli. Hey darling, it's hard to doing my hands with. Can you hold it? Darling. Just focus that one. Just like that. Don't move. Just focus that one. Okay. No move. Just don't focus. The noodles is it cannot stick together because this is wet. No, it smell naman. Really good. Smell good naman. No, panahuman. Salt a little bit. I'm gonna put this one. Parsley. I want to have rosemary. Rosemary a little bit. Rosemary. And now broccoli right here. How many minutes now? Only 5 minutes, let me know. I don't want more.
So what was that you put in there?
Soy sauce.
Oh, okay.
You got flavor already, that one. And
A bouillon cube?
cubes only one. I just put only 1 cube. One. 5 minutes na. What do you think? Looking that's nice in the picture.
Green onion, huh?
Yeah, green onion. Yep. Simple recipe. We love vegetables. This is with noodles. What do you think? That look pretty, huh? For our dinners, pass over today. 5 minutes na. Thank you for watching. This is for our dinner today.